replaced it about 2 years ago. I don't have any history on mine. Where'd you replace it again?
So I replaced it in
like Watertown?
Yes.
What dealership called?
Kaiser Watertown. So I replaced it almost 3 years ago. So 2022 of December. So it was replaced December 12th, 2022. It is a remanufactured transmission. The serial number should match when you got it. So Mopar told me that the part is still warranty for 3 years. So as long as you get a dealership to RO it within that 3-year period, the fault is due to the transmission failure, like a component failure or something inside that transmission. Within 3 years, we guarantee our work. So you can get it replaced if it fails. And it's a transmission failure. So that's what they told me. I wanted to double check with you that that's how you guys operate.
That's how we operate. So as long as everything correlates, everything is
yeah,
there should be no issue.
Okay. All right.
Did you need a ride out of here at all?
Yeah. Do you? I do. No. Do you have rentals or?
No, we don't have any
loaners. Okay. Do you do like rental discounts for like? Yeah, so I heard when your car is inoperable, they either give you a loaner or they offer you a discount on a rental.
With that being said,
Yeah.
I'm not sure. They usually do that for like house.
Yeah.
I can give you the RO, and that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna have to contact Chrysler.
Yeah.
And just let them know what situation you're in. And
Yeah.
They can give you a discount through Enterprise.
Yeah.
But other than that, there's nothing we can do.
Okay.
But I can give you the RO because that's what you're gonna need. The RO number.
Yep. All right.
247 236. You know where your car's parked at?
Yes, it's right. I just saw him drop it off on the other side of these aisles.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Did you need a ride anywhere today?
I might. How far do you guys go?
30 minutes.
Only 30 minutes. Yeah, dude. I'll probably have to get a rental. Or do you got? If the car's not going to be seen today, do you need it? Yeah. Like, can I drop the car off when it's needed? When you're going to service it or diagnose it? Yeah. Because it can't be driven above 30 miles per hour. So.
That's completely up to you. I mean, you could bring it back first thing tomorrow morning.
Yeah, that would be really dope because I kind of need it. So they patched it up and they told me it was drivable. So they said the transmission is drivable up to 30 miles per hour. I would not drive it any faster or you will break, your engine suffers if you try to drive it faster. He said you can leave it inside the city somewhere nearby, live in it, sleep in it, and then when we need it, I want you to bring it back. So that's what Kaiser and Watertown did for me. So they patched it up so that I can do that. What they didn't do is mark down when the transmission was installed. So they said the transmission was installed in November. But the transmission on that piece of paper you saw, December 12th.
Yeah, I got you.
And I think, yeah. Okay.
I'll just keep this in your car whenever you come in on tomorrow.
I'll come in 7 a.m.
Just put this on your mirror. Sorry, mirror.
Okay.
And then hang out your mirror whenever you come back tomorrow and just leave this tag on there.
Okay.
But yeah, just come see me tomorrow and then I'll get you checked out.
Thank you. Sounds good. I will be here tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Thank you. This way.